guys, we're back with a very cute one. This one's called Scribble Diffusion. Really good for ESOL students and really good for like kids. I've done it with taster days with like secondary school kids and just an introduction to generative AI. So this is a right off the bat is the default one. So it's a picture of a cat and then a photo of a cat, and then if you just press go. So while this explaining what it does, is basically with the mouse you just draw something, and then AI it will use generative AI with the picture and try to create what you've created. Okay, so let's have a gander. See, there we go. Picture of a cat related back to this. So now let's try one myself. So what I will do is let's do something like this. So what I've got here is, let's call it a frog using its tongue to eat a fly. Let's see how that goes. Yeah, it's not my best work, but it's work nevertheless. So there's my little frog, and you can see there's its tongue, and there's the fly. But obviously, it could have been probably made a bit better. So let's just try simplifying it. Let's just do that case. Let's just do. Ta-da! Not too bad. Little dog walking. So very nice, simple way to get primary, even secondary school kids and ESOL students, and just to get people to understand the concept of generative AI, text to AI, drawing to AI, at its most layman concept. So thank you again for your time, and see you soon. Goodbye.